The actual activity report is a powerful tool that gives you a clear overview of job activity within a selected time period. It helps track items added to jobs, including line items on invoices or quotes, stock on hand added to a job phase, time entries, and supplier documents. To access the actual activity report, click the Reports button in the top right corner of Fergus, and select Actual Activity Report from the list. Once inside the report, you can filter by group in the top left, change the date range in the top right, and search for specific jobs within the search bar. Don't forget to click Run to refresh the report with your selected filters. You can also download the report as a CSV file by clicking Download CSV in the top right. The report includes several key details. Job phase, a clickable link that takes you directly to the job card. Job type and assigned groups, see what type of job it is and which groups are assigned. Cost versus chargeable amounts, compare actual labour and material costs against what's chargeable. Total cost and chargeable amounts. Note, the report only shows items added between the selected start and end date. You'll also see the total amount invoiced for the job phase, a breakdown of labour and materials invoiced so far, and the total invoiced amount for the entire job. Use the page navigation buttons in the bottom right corner to move through the report. And that's it! The actual activity report gives you a quick and easy way to track job costs, chargeable amounts, and invoicing all in one place.